You can format your text using bold, italics, underlining, and strikethrough features as well. To do so, left-click and drag the cursor to select the text that you wish to apply the formatting to. For bold text, you can use the large letter B icon in the toolbar. For italics, you select the I icon. And you proceed in this fashion for underline and strikethrough as well. Alternatively, you can start by left-click and dragging your cursor to select your text, going to the Format menu at the top of the screen, choosing the Text submenu, and there you will find options for bold, italic, strikethrough, and underline. These simple steps are all you need to follow to complete your book manuscript.